Well, everyone, I finally got my hands on the iPhone 15 Plus, so let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this particular iPhone. Now, I'm very excited about it because the 15 Plus, pretty good upgrade from the 14 Plus if I'm being honest, and I'm kind of excited to kind of take a look at it. Now, I think I got the blue model of this one. I keep getting the colors of all of them wrong, so I have actually no idea what color this one is. It's either white or it's blue, but to unbox it, you basically grab these things on the backside like this, and you basically just tear them off. So we will go and tear them off just like so. And then on the front, what we can do is we can basically just pull this thing off just like this. And then we have the standard color. Now I think this is the blue one, but it's like white blue. It's like very, very light blue for the most part. These iPhones come face down. I don't know why earlier today I thought they came face up. I don't know why I keep even thinking. I've unboxed so many of these things. I should know this by now. And then if we go and kind of take a good thumbnail that I'll probably use, you can see it looks something like this. I don't know why it's still focusing. Much better. So the thing I love about the iPhone 15 Plus is one, this new frosted glass on this thing looks so good. It looks so much better than the 14 Plus, something I actually really did like a lot. There's also USB-C on the bottom, which is great and all. I'm glad they finally brought it in. Peeling this thing off just like this, we have that standard stuff that you can kind of see on the display. Dynamic island this time around, which is really cool. But one thing I love that Apple did here while I'm powering this thing on is that they actually brought a curved kind of side to it. Like it does actually feel different. And that's something that was shocking to me because with the 14s, it kept the same design as the 12, but this is actually a different design. Now, I will say for the 15 Plus, I don't nearly notice it as much, but it's like a curved, it's like so weird. I don't know how to explain it. It's like curved, but it's not, and it's flat, but it's not. It's kind of hard to explain. But one thing that I love the most, probably, I like USB-C more, but I think everyone's already talked about this. The frosted glass back, though, is something I'm like not used to. It's so crazy seeing a frosted glass back on these types of iPhones without the triple camera setup. Now for the rest of the body, nothing crazy. You just have that standard documentation within here. So you have basically, I think I just pulled everything out of here, but you have standard documentation. You have like something that says something about the physical SIM card. You have Apple logo on the back. So stuff we've already kind of seen before. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of slide this stuff back in here. Just forget it. We'll just put it back in here. But the biggest thing is we have this braided USB-C cable now. So this is something that's really cool. Having this type of braided USB-C cable is amazing. And now you can basically just plug this thing in as you normally would. And it's a really cool feature. And that's something that I'm actually really, really excited to use. So overall, I'll definitely tell you, the 15 Plus is looking to be like a pretty decent iPhone, to be honest. I probably wouldn't buy this thing brand new. I think the 14 Pro Max is a better used iPhone to buy than this thing. But I will tell you, once these things hit the used market, I'm sure it's going to be a really, really good deal that these things are going to be hitting. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.